sir, how are you?
Hello, bro. Everything okay?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Great.
So far so good, yeah.
Yeah, so far so good at
So
least.
you finished with skill review one, two, and three.
Yes.
That's good. Do you have any challenge, issue?
Not really because whenever a question was hard, I was using the verb. So I think so far so good.
Okay, okay, then that's fine. So what we need to do is to proceed to look at the practice exam one, the exam two, and that'll be exam three. So if you don't mind sharing your screen, you can do that. Then we can just, you know, go through it
Right.
briefly. Yeah. But when do you intend to get certified?
As soon as I finish with all this preparation.
Okay. Okay. Your scores are good. That's good. So you only share the window. Usually, if you don't share the entire screen, I won't see the practice test.
Okay. Okay.
So you need to share the entire screen. That way, when it loads, I'll be able to see the questions as well. Yeah. Then we will get your colleagues at the office to also go through the program and get certified. But at least you've seen the benefit of having the access
Exactly.
code, having your personal account, and trying to go through it bit by bit. Okay, so let's look at the exam one. Practice exam one. Oh, we can minimize. Okay, so click on start at the top. No, go to the practice exam one, not the skill review. Yeah. So this more or less in line with the actual certification exam, how it's been structured and how it's been framed. So you're not going to get the same questions, but it gives you an idea of what the
Yes.
actual test would be like. So select training mode. So you do the training mode.
Yes.
Now, yes, start test, yes. Okay, start.
Continue.
Continue. Yeah, continue. So what's the time in Zambia currently?
The time.
Yeah,
This is 16:23.
okay. So you're an hour ahead of me. Okay, that's
So
good.
we are an hour ahead.
Yeah. What are the questions? I can't see the questions, the GMetrix. Minimize, minimize, minimize the window. No, no, no. The one behind. Minimize, minimize, close, minimize, minimize, minimize. Uh, aha. So that's the window. So now bring the Excel up. Okay. Now position it gradually at the top and resize. Okay. Now stretch it a bit to the left. Good. Here we go. That's it. So in the actual exam, you have a series of tasks.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So when you finish each task, you move on to the next task. So once you've completed, you hit on great projects. But in the actual certification exam, you will see submit project. Does that make sense?
I haven't understood properly. You say here, after I'm done with the task, what do I do?
Yeah, so after every task, you need to finish with all the five tasks. When you look down there, do you see overview?
I can see previous task, mark task.
Uh-huh.
I mean,
Yeah, so you don't need to do this. So at the top, you see task one. Do you see task one at the top?
yes, I can see.
Aha. So the overview is what you are seeing currently. So you manage a rental shop at a popular public beach. It is your responsibility to update the list of rental rates. Yeah. So you hit on task one. So it gives you the task. Import the data from the source file, more rentals.xml, located in the GMetrix template folder. So now you need to load the diving rentals data to a new worksheet where you accept all other defaults. So when you look down the mark for review next task, we've got a help. Because you're doing it in training mode, when you hit the help, it should give you the steps. Now you can scroll on the left. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes. So I don't want you to focus on the steps. Try to do it on your own. Move on to task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5. Then after you've finished and you've clicked on Great Project, you'll get to know whether you got it right or wrong. So the ones you don't get it right, you come back, you look at the steps, then you go through it. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
Aha. So I'll leave you to complete it. Then if anything, just let me know, okay?
All right. So if I want to save and exit,
Come again?
what do I do if I want to save and exit?
Then you just click on Save Project. Okay, so let's do Save Project first, then I'll teach you how to start it again. Now you say local, you can make it cloud, it depends. So if it's your system, then just make it local, that's it. Okay, so when it comes back up, now you see Excel 365 Practice Exam 1 training is at the top. Then you just click on it to resume. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
Aha. So maybe after project 1, 2, 3, you are tired, you just hit on Save Project. So when you finish going through it in training mode, you go through it again under training mode without looking at the steps. Then the third time, you do it in testing mode, where you need to complete all the 7 projects within 50 minutes. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Great stuff. So I'll see you on the other side when you finish, yeah?
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. You're welcome. Bye-bye. So I'll end the meeting. Okay, I'm listening.
I'm like, if I grade the projects, that's when they will take me to
project 2 of 7, yes.
Oh, and up to project 7, that's 7. When I will be done with practical test 1.
That is it. Practice exam 1.
Okay, I get it.
Okay, so once you finish with project 7, then you say complete test, then you get to see your result. Okay?
All right.
Okay, great stuff. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.